Reading T1 class is one of the most powerful and well-known classes of steam locomotives in the northeastern United States, as these mighty workhorses pulled heavy coal trains through the Allegheny Mountains, and some of them pulled passenger excursions for decades, with one of them being restored to operation in 2021. However, the T1s weren't always as large and mighty as they are now, as these 484 Northern types were converted from 30 Class I-10SA 280 consolidations from 1945 to 1947. These rebuilds kept the boiler, firebox, 8-driver wheels, and other components of the locomotive, and rearranged their second and third numbers, as the T1 2100 was originally I-10SA 2020, 2101 was 2021, 2102 was 2022, and 2124 was 2044. This train fact goes to show that even the most famous and largest of rebuild engines can have the humblest of beginnings.